Hey guys, it's Blaze A90 or Kevin Monroy here with a little unboxing. I want to shout out to Custom Interior for sending these over to me. I really appreciate it. These are some new seat covers for the Supra because my seat covers are black and I wanted something to spice it up. And I wanted these seats when I first got the car. I wanted these seats to be red, and luckily enough, Custom Interior blessed up with some red seat covers. So let's take a look. So these are new seats. The quality feels amazing. If only y'all can feel this. The quality feels great. It feels like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like a normal seat. Like my seat literally feels the same. If not, I think this feels way better. So trying to understand this. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory. It's just putting these on over as a seat. So what we're gonna do is put the seat forward on the Supra, because we can't do back. We can't, we only got two seats. Put this over. So my understanding that with these clips that we're gonna put here goes between the gaps between the seats, like the little crevices. So you put the gaps between the seats. Can't try to show you guys. It's kind of hard. Well, you fold the seat, you recline the seat as much as you can, and shove these little clips underneath the seat where it will hold on from behind. Not gonna lie, the install is not hard, not extremely hard. But one thing is just hard about it is just because of the car. Nothing wrong with the seats. Nothing. The seats are as simple as it can get. They're just the space. Trying to figure it out. Trying to put the clips on it. Trying to clip both of the seats underneath. It just is tight because I can't fit into where the footwell will be. Going underneath the seat, but I got it. There's no complaints. It's just the car, nothing with the product. The product is amazing. You can tell the seat looks good. I don't complain. The seats look amazing. It literally looks OEM. It looks good. It looks like factory. It literally looks good. Nothing wrong with the seats. I can't complain. The seats look amazing. Changes the interior of the car. So with the seats have these little clips between them. So I recline the seat back a little bit, so it gives me room to put my hand through the little crack, so I can push these into the crack. So you do is push them in there. The seats have clips in the back, like the little elastic clips on the back, but I didn't put them in because there's no point, because I got no back seats, so they can't just see it dangling. But for the front padding, I would, because I don't want these to be dangling near my foot. So now we're putting the second one in. Should be easy, simple. So now, again, it has the little clips. You push them between the crack. See, got that one in there. These are the hooks. You can see them, the hooks. So let's put the seat a little bit back. So honestly, I just trying to find something where we can just hook up. Doesn't just holds in place. So I feel a little bracket. I'll put it in the bracket. So I want to say a huge thank you for Custom Interior for sending this over. Look, you can tell the seats look amazing. The seats look phenomenal. I can't complain. The seat looks amazing. Let me show you guys some clips of the seats. It just sitting in them, dude. They feel so much better than OEM. They're like so comfy. They actually feel really good. Look. Tell me not. It looks good. Red interior now. Get yours at interior, custom interior. I'm telling you, get yours at custom interior, y'all. Best decision ever. The leather feels like, I'm telling you, it feels like, I'm not lying. No biased things. They just feel way better than OEM. They actually feel so soft and good. But thank you, Custom Interior, for sending these out. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for helping to build the Supra. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you.